Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, autonomous braking, cruise control, child safety locks, power brakes, audio, internet radio, Pandora, trip computer, rear floor mats, audio radio, touchscreen display. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.